The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is here, and here are 5 reasons why you should upgrade to it. Welcome back to SamMobile TV. You're here with Daniel, and the Galaxy Z Flip 7 has been announced, and it's been out for a couple of days, at least not people have bought it yet, but you know what I mean. But if you're sort of sitting on the fence and wondering where the upgrades are and should you push that upgrade button, well, look no further. This is 5 reasons why you should. Number 1, it has a brand new cover screen. This cover screen is phenomenal. If you want a phone that sort of will just stop people in their tracks, then this will be the one to do it. Because if you pick this up, turn that cover screen on, you are captivated by what you see. It's about 4.2 inches in size, but I don't even think the size is the captivating part. It's the fact it goes all the way out to the borders with a minimal bezel of 1.25 millimeters, and it even just sort of covers around the camera with no gaps. It's incredible. This cover screen allows you to do more, but just sort of feels futuristic. You sort of interact with this, it's amazing. Also, it's going to be really good outdoors because it has 2,600 nits of peak brightness, and it's going to feel really fluid because it's got 120 hertz of refresh rate, fixed, but still, that's going to be an incredible experience to use. Second reason that sort of goes along with the Flip 7's cover screen is the new camera experience. Samsung have brought and take advantage of this new sort of cover screen with new experiences. So, for example, if you've got sort of in flex mode or if you've got it closed to take a selfie and you sort of activate the camera with palm selfie, it has a little animation countdown timer which sort of stretches along and then recedes into the actual cameras themselves. This kind of forces you to sort of follow that animation, look at the cameras, so when you're sort of making eye contact when the photo is being taken. Also to go with that is there's a new video capturing experience too. Similar thing, the animation for the countdown timer will begin, and then once it starts recording, sort of flashes red around the cameras to indicate that it has started. Again, just nice little touches like this that maybe necessarily don't change the function, but definitely provides you with a good feeling once you're using it. Nice touches, I like them. Third reason to upgrade is when the device is open now, you now have a bigger, wider, and taller display. So the aspect ratio is more natural. Previously, on the Flip 6, it was 22.9 by 9, which is long and thin. Now, for the past 6 years, it's been like that. But for the first time they've changed it, now it's 21 by 9, which is definitely more natural and more like a traditional bar smartphone, at least the ones that we have now in 2025. So you are using a better experience on the inside because it's now like a normal phone. You kind of, especially if you're switching from a normal phone, you kind of get that feel when you're using it. It's 6.9 inches too, which is the same size screen, at least in real estate size, as the S25 Ultra. That's also 6.9. But the S25 Ultra is a little bit wider, so you're not getting the exact experience. Fourth one is it's now got a bigger battery. So in the past few years, Samsung have been pushing the Flip to get bigger and bigger batteries. Last year was the first time it crossed the 4,000 milliamp hour threshold, and this year it just leaps past it into 4,300 milliamp hours. Not using silicon carbon or any new battery tech, Samsung are pushing their battery tech that's existing to a new level, kind of like they have with the Edge. This should mean that you will get long battery life out of your Flip, especially if you're a combination user of the cover screen and the internal display. You should get really good battery life out of it. And you're also going to get performance to match, because at number 5, a lot of you will probably laugh that I include this, but it's using the Exynos 3nm 2500 chipset. Now, I say this is a good thing, because for the first time on a Flip, Samsung have input, drumroll, Samsung Dex. Samsung Dex is now on the Flip 7, in large part probably because it's got more surface area for cooling purposes, and it's got a chipset that I guess can enable it too. Of course, all the other chips are capable in the previous generations because they all ran Samsung Dex on other models. But we now have a combination of that chip plus the better cooling from the more surface area that it's got to actually run Samsung Dex on board. When we get ours, you bet we're going to show you how it works. So look, if you're keen or curious to upgrade, we've got links in the description to jump down and do just that. Make sure you follow SamMobile on all our socials. Go check out our website and hit subscribe here on YouTube for all the coverage of what's to come in the back half of 2025. See you guys next time. Thanks.